Imagine waking up one day and realizing you actually own a piece of real estate, not a fantasy, not a dream, but a real, income-producing property. Now imagine you did not need hundreds of thousands of dollars to make that happen. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. The truth is, anyone can start investing in real estate, even with little money. And today, I will show you exactly how. Welcome back to Rich Map, where we turn financial goals into reality. If you have ever thought real estate is only for the wealthy or the already successful, this video is going to change your mind. Because the path to financial freedom often starts not with how much you have, but how smartly you use what you have. So, grab your notebook, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get your foot in the real estate game, even if your bank balance looks small. Let's start with one big truth. You do not need to buy a mansion or a fancy apartment to start investing. Real estate has many doors to enter from, and some of them cost a lot less than you think. The first door is house hacking. This strategy is one of the smartest and most realistic ways for beginners to enter the real estate world with limited cash. Here's how it works. You buy a small property, like a duplex, triplex, or even a single-family home. Live in one part and rent out the other. The rent you collect from your tenants helps cover your mortgage. In some cases, it might even cover it entirely, meaning you live rent-free while your property appreciates over time. Think of it as living for free and building equity at the same time. Many successful investors started this way. One small property, one smart move. The second option is real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are like stock investments, but for real estate. You can buy shares in companies that own income-producing properties, like apartments, office buildings, or shopping centers. The best part, you can start with as little as $10 or $20 using platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or even through traditional brokers. You do not have to deal with tenants, repairs, or property taxes. Yet you still earn dividends from rental income and potential property appreciation. If you are not ready to own physical property yet, REITs are the perfect place to begin. Another powerful entry point is real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like CrowdStreet or Roofstock make it possible for small investors to pool their money together and invest in large real estate projects. This gives you access to commercial buildings or rental communities that would otherwise be out of reach. You are essentially teaming up with other investors to own a fraction of a property, and your money works for you while someone else manages the project. It's passive, affordable, and a great way to learn how the real estate market functions. Now, if you are someone who likes more control and direct involvement, let's talk about wholesaling. This method does not require you to buy a property at all. Here's the game. You find a property that's undervalued, maybe it needs repairs, or the owner wants to sell quickly. You get that property under contract at a low price, then sell that contract to another investor for a small profit. It's like being a matchmaker between property owners and buyers. You might earn $2, $5, or even $10,000 per deal, without ever owning the home. The only thing you really need is hustle, negotiation skills, and a good eye for deals. Another clever strategy is partnering with investors. Maybe you do not have much money, but you have time and drive. You can find deals, manage renovations, or handle tenants, while your partner brings the capital. It's a win-win. You split the profits, and both of you grow together. This is how many new investors start, by offering effort instead of cash. Over time, as you earn from your shares, you can reinvest your profits into your own solo deals. Let's not forget about owner financing, a method that cuts banks completely out of the equation. In this setup, the seller acts as the lender. Instead of taking out a mortgage from a bank, you make payments directly to the seller. This is perfect if your credit is not great or you do not have a big down payment. You can often negotiate flexible terms and get into property ownership faster than traditional financing would allow. It's all about finding motivated sellers and creating win-win deals. And speaking of financing, let's talk about FHA loans. In the US, the Federal Housing Administration allows first-time homebuyers to purchase a property with as little as 3.5% down. If you buy a multi-unit property and live in one of the units, you can qualify for this low down payment. Combine that with house hacking, and you are building wealth while paying less than you would spend on rent. Another overlooked opportunity, rent-to. In deals, you lease a property with the option to buy it later. Part of your rent goes toward the purchase price, which means every month you are slowly building ownership. This is perfect for people who want to invest but need time to improve their credit or save more cash. Now, before you jump in, remember, investing in real estate is not about luck. It's about knowledge and planning. Start by learning your local market. Understand property values, rental rates, and neighborhoods. Use free resources like Zillow, Redfin, or Bigger Pockets to study trends and connect with other investors. Build your network, because in real estate, connections can be worth more than cash. Also, keep your mindset right. Do not wait for the perfect time or the perfect property. The best investors did not start with the best deals. They started with what they had learned from their mistakes and kept going. Even a small investment today can turn into something powerful tomorrow. Remember, wealth grows over time, not overnight. So if you have been holding back because you think you need a pile of money, let this be your sign. Start small. Start smart. Start now. And if you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss more videos on building wealth and financial freedom. Your journey to real estate investing does not begin when you have more money. It begins when you decide to take the first step. This is Rich Map, helping you draw the path to your financial success. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.